Welcome to another edition of Ticky's Travel HUD. Hope you've been enjoying the channel. Today's episode is going to be updating and putting in a new bed and some shelving. And as you can see right now, this is the interior of what it looked like prior to starting. So what we did is did 2x6 on the sides and a 2x6 in the middle to provide support and then what we did is on the next pictures coming up, so I found these great 2x10s planks that were perfect for this project. And then what we did, as you can see, is when we bolted down the two in the middle, and the end ones can actually be removed to create a slightly larger platform. And then the 2x4 in the middle is actually cut down so it's the same length as the middle two. And then now on here what we did is I'm showing you the front end, but you can see how the bed looks. And then here's a picture of the front again, and this is the end picture of the shelf with the toilet in the perfect little cubby hole. Here's the bed complete, and I don't know if you can see it really quick, but in the middle there's 2x4s with notches cut into it. This is what the end result looked like. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that thumbs up. Thank you.